Hi, this is Riyash and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see WD Gann intraday ranges. I don't know if anybody has done a video like this on internet, but anyway, we will be doing it first time today, okay? So stay tuned. Let me show you first where this has been coded, okay? In which book. Let me bring up the book. Okay, so what you need is the book by WD Gann, and this is the book, okay? How to Make Profits Trading in Commodities, a study of the commodity market with charts and rules for successful trading and investing by WD Gann, okay? So let me go to the page number 33, okay? Okay, this is the page number 17, but we need the page 33 of the book, okay? So let me scroll down. 29, 30. Now let's see what he says on this page, okay? The tops forecast future bottoms or low levels, okay? By using the percentage of the tops, you can determine the resistance points or bottoms on the way down. Follow this rule. You must also use a range between extreme high and extreme low. So 50% of this range is a very important resistance point. 75% is the next important and 100% is the most important. You must never overlook using the lowest bottom. Then he says uh, going back to 1852 and using the base or the bottom in wheat of 100% advance equals to 57, 200% advance equals to 85 and a half, 250% advance, and then 250 and 300% advances, okay? Advances of this range. So how do you calculate this range? Okay, let's see an example on gold. Okay, let me bring up the chart of gold. This is Nifty. We don't need the Nifty, we need gold. Okay, let's get one of these. These are the, this is gold. Okay, let's bring spot. Let's try to analyze this one. Okay, what we also need is a calculator. Okay, so something like this where you can put the date and the high or a low of that day, then see what comes up. Okay, let's test this out. Okay, so let me go back to the chart and let's go back a month back. Okay, let's start from 1st of July. Okay, this is a 2-minute chart, so the last bar available for me is for the 21st of July. Okay, so let's start from 22nd of July. Start testing from 22nd. 21st is a Monday. Okay. Let me make this little smaller. Okay. Okay. Now this is 22nd. Okay. And let's see the high of this day. The high is 3401, 3402.61. Let's say 3403. Okay. 3403, and what we need, it's 22nd of July 2025. Okay, So this is what we are getting the range. The 100% range is 12.86. 50% of that is half of that is 6.43. 150% of 12.86 is 19. Then 200%, which is double of this, is 25.72. And this is 250%, 400, 600, and 800%. Normally, why I have kept this values till 800%. Normally, in my testing, um, I have seen that gold doesn't go beyond 800%. It doesn't move more than 100 points, right, every day. So we will stick to this, okay, and let's see how it goes. So my range is 13. 12.86, let's say 13, 29, 25, 13, 19, and 25. Okay, 19. Okay, here you go. 19, and then what happened? This tool is actually designed to calculate the range of the day. Okay, so I assume that this is my high and then I calculated from here, but our day's low is this one, and then it broke the previous high of the day and it started going up. So we should ideally calculate the range from this bottom. Okay, so let's see what is this price. This is 3383. Okay, 3383. So okay, we are getting similar ranges. 19, 25, 32. Let's see. 19, 25, 32, and then 51 is 400%. Okay, so 51 is here. Okay. 51%. So this is 23rd. 23rd starts from here. So we were expecting 51.13 and we got 50.64 is the range for that day. Very close, okay? So let's go and see for the next day, 23rd. So 23rd, uh, this is my high, okay? My high is at 3439, right? Let me get it exact, 3439. 3439. And the date is 23rd of July. So my ranges, I am getting something like this. We need something more than 18 or 20 because that's how the gold moves every day. Okay, I have seen very less time it moves like 4 points and 9 points, so we need something which is tradable. Let's see, say 23, 2336. Okay, 2336, and okay, so 36 is this low here. This is close to 36, and the next one is 55. Okay, so 55 is here, right here. Okay, it just poked through a little bit. You know, normally in gold, it sometimes it misses by 2 to 3 points, which is fine, I think, right? So 55 was my range here. Okay, I was expecting 55. So let's see the next day, 24th. Okay. So this is 24th. My high is like this is 24th. By the way, this is the Indian Standard Time in the bottom here. Ideally, you should do this in New York time to get the best out of this, okay? But I'm for demonstration, I'm doing it in Indian time because I'm in India, okay? So let's see, the high of this is 3393, 3393, and the date is 24th. Okay, I'm getting a larger range on this day. See, 35, 50, 53. Okay, let's see. 35 is here. Okay. And then this low is 35, and then next one is 53, right? We didn't get there. We got to the 35, okay? The range for this day was 35, and it just, again, like previous day, it just pokes through a little bit for few bars, 3 or 4 bars, and then it reverses from there, okay? So it worked pretty well, okay? Uh, let's see for the next day. Let's see, 25th. What 25th? The trend is down. And where is my high on 25th? It is 3373. 3373, and it is 25th. My range I am expecting is 34, 52, 69. Okay. 34. 34 is, yes, this low, very close. Then 52. Okay. What we got here, let me see where it closed here. Yeah. What we got at 48 or 49 we got, okay, 49. So it missed by, again by 3 points, by a couple of points or 3 points, okay. Then let's see the next day, 26th. My high is here. My high is at 3345. 3345. And the date is 26th. I'm expecting 31, 47, and 62. 47, right? We got 44, close to 44. So again, it missed by 3 points. Okay. Again, it missed by 3 points. Okay. Let's check the next day, 29th. So far, so good, right? We completed the whole week, and couple of days we have seen it misses by like on an average by 2 to 3 points. Okay. But that's okay, I think, right? So let's see the next week, 28th, 28th, right? 28th is Monday, and my high was at 3345. Again, same, yeah, 3345. Okay. 26th was also high was 3345. Okay, that's interesting. 28th. Now I'm expecting a range of 3349. It misses by a little bit again. Okay. This time it misses by like 5 points. We got 44. We were expecting 49. So it misses by 5 points. Okay. This day we can call it as a miss because we normally miss it by 2 to 3 points, but if we miss it by more than 5 points, 4 points, it's a miss. We can take that as a miss. Okay. So out of 6 days, one day is a miss. Okay. By the way, this intra-range things concept, this thing works more than 85% of time. Okay, out of 100 bars, 100 days, if you keep calculating like this, it's going to miss like 14 to 15 times. So, which is a 85% accuracy, which is very good, right? As an intraday trader. Let's see the next day. Uh, let's see 30th. Okay, 30th, I have a high here, 3334. 3334. 30th of July. My range is 26, 40, 53. 43, 53, and then 66. Yeah. 250% is 67. And we got this right on the head. 67. 66 we got. It missed by 1 point, which is very good, right? Very nice. Okay. Let's check a couple of more days. Let's go to the 31st and let's see. 31st. Okay, my low is 3267, 3268. The date is 31st of July. We are having a small range, so normally I will look something greater than 20. So 25, 32, 51. Okay. Looks like this is more than that. We need 51. Okay, and we got like 47. So misses by 4 points here, which is fair enough, I think. Let me see if I have a correct highs and lows. Okay, it misses by 4 points, which is fair enough, I think, right? So if you can catch at least 30 points out of this on one lot of a gold, 30 points is $3,000. Okay. Let's go to some other day, something in the month of August. So let's do one thing. Let's go to the middle of the August, or let's go to the 4th of August. Okay. This is 4th of August. So this is my low, 4th of August. My low is at, this is 3345. Okay. 3345, and this is 4th of August. Okay, again my range is little less that day. 9 points is my range, but I need something more than 20-25 points. So let's start from 25, 39, 58. 25 is this one, then 39. 39, exactly right on the head. Okay, right on the head. It's 39 points. Yeah. We were expecting 39.14 and we got something like 40 points. So, which is fair enough, right? Okay. Let's see couple of more days. Okay. Uh, this is fifth. Fifth, we have a low here, 3350, 3350, and fifth, we have a range of, let's say, 19, 28, 38. Should be more than that. 38. Okay, right on the head. Again, we got 40. So that's fine. That's good. Then it stayed in a range, right? Okay. Let's see couple of more days so that we get some confidence out of this. Let's say 7th, 3365 is my low, 3365, and this is 7th of August. Okay, so 3147, right? 31, yeah, 31, right here. Okay, then this is 8. Okay, we don't. And by the way, we can calculate the ranges for these pullbacks also. We will look at that sometime later. Okay, not today. Let's go to the next day. This is 8, and my high is 3407. 3407. This is 8th of August. Okay, we have a lesser range, so we need to take like 23, 38, 23 and 38. Okay. 23 and 38. What we got here is like 32 points. Market was very volatile and choppy this day. Okay. So we can consider that another miss because we were looking something accuracy closer to 3 to 4 points maximum. If it is out of that range, we consider this as a miss. So at least 13 days we looked at. Okay, this is the second miss that we have. So out of 13, 2 misses and 9 bang on target. Okay. Okay, so let's check one more week and then we can conclude this video. Okay, this is 11th, right? 11, 3405 is high, 3405, and this is 11th, 11th of August 2025. Okay, we have a decent range this day, 27, 41, 54. Okay. What we need is 4154 and then 68. Okay. Got 65 here. Okay, let's take that. Missed by 3 points. which is fair enough. Okay, let's check the next day, 12th. 12th, my high is 3358. 3358. 12. 13, 20, 27. 27. Here you go. On this particular day, the market stayed in a range, but we got our range calculation correct. Okay, 27. Let's check couple of more days. This is Tuesday. Let's check Wednesday, 13th. Wednesday, 13th, my low is at 3343. 3343. 13th of August, Wednesday. Okay, so let's take 21, 26, 41. 26. Right on the head. Okay, right on the head. This is 13th. Now this high is on 14th. So let's check 14th. Okay. 14th, we have a high here. 3375. 14. 3375. Okay. So 28, 42, 56. 42. Eh, Right on target, right on the head. Okay. So it just poked through. We got 44 points instead of 42 points, and we take it. Okay. Let's check couple of more days before we conclude this video. This is, by the way, this is Friday, 15th. Okay, let's check 15th. 15th of August. Looks like we are in a narrow range here. Let's see if it works. 3348. 3348. And this is 15th. 1734. Okay, is my range. Okay, we need to calculate the range from the bottom here. Okay, no, this is by the way, this is 18th. So let's stick to this one, 1734. Okay, 17 is here. I was expecting this for few minutes. It came down, and then, by the way, this is Monday actually. So we cannot take that. This is Friday. No, this is also Monday. So yeah, we were expecting 17 and we got 15 or 16. It missed by 1 point. Okay, missed by 1 point. So as you can see, we did the analysis for at least for 3 weeks. Okay, and out of 3 weeks, on couple of days, it missed by 6 points, but for the other days, it's bang on target within our orb of 3 to 4 points, right? Most of the days, it's bang on target like this within 1 point. Okay. And by the way, this is just the one method I'm showing you. There is another method to get to these prices. You are going to get with the second method, which I will give you a hint. It's called as the LOB squares. Okay. And it's something related to square of 9. Everybody knows what is square of 9, right? So For example, if my range is 17 points and I'm expecting my low um, at, let's take an example like 3331, okay, on that day, then with that LOV square of 9 method, you get another like 3333 or 3334, 3333 or 3332, very close to this price, okay, and that will be my error of margin. So if you want to trade this is, I'm just showing you just one method, okay. There is another method to get to the to this price, and when the both the prices are in confluence, then it works best, okay. So the second method, the LOV squares, is out of scope for this video for today. But I just wanted to show you the one method, the how to get these intraday ranges. And by the way, these intraday ranges, this can be also applied on the weekly time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, on the monthly time frame, okay. So this was just the introduction to the WD Gann's price systems, okay. If you have liked this video, then please subscribe to my video. And I'm going to do a series of the videos with those ranges and all. So next time we can look at the ranges in Nifty 50, S&P, and then Bitcoin. A lot of people like to trade in Bitcoin, right? And some other US stocks. Okay. Okay. So thanks everyone watching this video, and see you next time. Thank you.